We'll start by logging into PositiveWare. And here we are on the time card. I already have a timer running. I'll go ahead and stop the timer. Log my hours. Now I will start a new timer for a new project. And I can add a quick comment, keep track of what I'm going to do. And now for Hammond Motors, I can go create a budget by clicking on the Money tab and clicking on Budget Manager. I want to create a budget for November for Hammond Motors, so I click the plus sign. This is a retainer project for $7,000 at around 75 hours of work. Standard rate. Henry Reardon will be doing most of the work, but he'll also get some help from Dagny. And so now I have my $7,000 budget in place. In order to find out how I'm doing against that budget, I can go over to the Plan Manager under the Plan tab. And click on Hammond Motors. And then the Budget tab. And as you can see, I am just barely under budget here. Henry is a little bit over budget on his time. And you can see my retainer amount here. Now it's time to go ahead and send Hammond Motors a bill. So back to the Money tab. And we will view the bill for Hammond Motors for November 2007. Here we have the bill for Hammond Motors for November of 2007. I have on here some items under Upgrade Web Design that should not be billed at our standard rate, but instead at our crisis rate. So I'll click Make Adjustments, and I'll be able to make that change for Upgrade Web Design. I want to change the rate to the crisis rate. And now, if I look, my rates for the Upgrade Web Design project are at the proper level. I click Continue to see the final bill, and I can export it to PDF or Excel to send it on to Hammond Motors. Okay, now I want to go create a new project and add some actions to that project in the Plan Manager. So for Dream Lake Hotels, I want to add a project for a new website. And we'll have this project run to the end of the year. I'll be the owner. And now we can see this project. We can add some actions. And by doing that, I can create several tasks for Francisco. And now you can see those 3 actions here under Dream Lake Hotel. And now, after some period of time, work has gone on for Dream Lake Hotels, and we'll want to report back to Dream Lake Hotels on the status. So we'll go to the Reports section and run the Client Activity Report. We'll run it for this month, and we'll run it for Dream Lake Hotels. And we see some columns that we don't necessarily need to send along in our report, like the time that we've spent or the description. So we click the layout, remove the description and the time tracking, run the report again, and here we have a more distinct report. We can now export the report to PDF or Excel to send it along to Dream Lake Hotel.